How to fix reCAPTCHA problem on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can fix reCAPTCHA problem on Google Chrome. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch settings in your device. Once you're on the settings, tap on apps. Tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right corner and here search for Google Chrome and then tap on it. That's gonna take you to app info page of Chrome. Here scroll down a bit and head towards the notifications and make sure that you have turned on notifications for the Chrome. After that, again, you can head back to app info, scroll down a bit and head towards the browser app and make sure you have selected Chrome as your default browser application in the mobile device. If not, then select Chrome. After that, you can go back, scroll up a bit and head towards storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache. After that, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, then you can come back to the same page and you can also tap on manage space and free up some space, manage or clear data from this page. After that, you can close these settings in your device, restart your device and then again go back to Chrome and your problems will be now solved. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.